Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using a Datamax Oneil Apex 2 label printer, the Jantoy AC adapter charger. This isn't just any charger. It's specifically designed to be compatible with models like the 78728 S1R3 and 78728 S13, ensuring your label printer gets the precise power it needs to keep your operations running smoothly. The Jantoy adapter immediately impresses with its commitment to quality and safety. Manufactured with high-quality materials, it's been rigorously tested for both durability and user safety. This means you're investing in a power source built to last and protect your valuable equipment. A standout feature is its built-in protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. These safeguards are absolutely vital, shielding your Datamax Oneil Apex 2 printer from potential electrical damage, which can be costly to repair or replace. Beyond its robust internal protections, the Jantoy charger boasts a compact design and low power consumption. This makes it incredibly practical, whether your label printer is stationary or needs to be moved around. Its portability is a definite plus, and its efficiency helps manage energy costs. The sleek black color ensures it blends seamlessly into most environments. While the adapter is designed for durability, a few important user recommendations will maximize its lifespan and performance. Firstly, regularly clean the charging port. Over time, plugs can accumulate fouling, leading to poor contact and potentially preventing the adapter from working correctly. A quick, gentle clean can prevent these issues. Perhaps the most critical piece of advice, and one that cannot be stressed enough, is to always choose the correct voltage before plugging the adapter into your device. The Jantoy adapter has an input voltage of 240 volts, but it's imperative to match the asterisk output voltage to your specific Datamax Oneil Apex 2 printer's requirements. Many devices lack internal circuit protection, and using the wrong voltage, even briefly, can cause irreversible damage. Always double-check your printer's specifications. The manufacturer also advises against running it overloaded, as this will significantly shorten its lifespan. Finally, proper handling is crucial. This charger is strictly for indoor use. Avoid dropping, knocking, or shaking it, as extreme temperatures can severely shorten the life of electronic equipment, damaging both the charger and its circuit boards. In conclusion, the Jantoy AC adapter charger for the Datamax Oneil Apex 2 label printer is a well-engineered, protective, and convenient power solution. By adhering to the simple usage guidelines, particularly regarding voltage selection and port maintenance, users can ensure their label printer remains powered reliably and safely for a long time. It's a solid choice for keeping your Datamax Oneil Apex 2 printer ready for action.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.